Hi guys, this is second part of previous geometric progression video. In this video we are going to study formulas. In previous video we are come up in this position, that is general form of geometric progression AR, AR square, AR cube. Also we take here example as 5, 15, 45 and 135. That is 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 3 is 135 and so on. In this here first term is let's take a as a first term, which is 5. Then r will be any term in this sequence divided by its previous term. Let's take 15. Then 15 by 5 is equal to 3. Also we can written r as 45 by 15, 135 by 45. I have shown that. This can be written as formulas taking r is equal to t2 by t1. Here t2 is term 2, that is first second, divided by t1 term 1, that is this 5, 15 by 5. Similarly t3 by t2, t4 by t3, showing that 45 by 15, t3 by t2, 135 by 45, that is t4 by t3. Similarly it can go. So we can generalize this as common ratio r is equal to any term in this sequence geometric progression divided by its previous term, that is any term divided by preceding term. If we take 135 then divide by 45, 45 will give the answer as 3, that is common ratio 3. Hence we got the formula for common ratio r. Now we are going to find the n term in GP. Let's consider general form AR square. Then our example and term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. I have just assigned this to show the this is term 1, this is term 2, this is term 3. So we have to find the formula for n term, that is any n term in this GP. If we have to find 135, then what is the formula for that? So we can find this by, if I have to find third term, that is t3, then what is formula for that? AR square. Look at this, here is 3, here is 2, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Similarly here 4, here is 3, so 4 minus 1 is 3, that is AR 4 minus 1, so AR 3, that is AR cube. Similarly if we have find term 2, then AR square minus 1, that is AR. We can generalize this form as Tn n term is equal to A into R n minus 1. Here n minus 1 we take because it starts from A. Here is there is no R. Here is R, but his power is 0. It is R raised to 0. I am shown here r raised to 0. R raised to 0 is equal to 1. Anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore AR raised to 0 is equal to 1. Hence AR1, as this formula comes. AR square, AR cube. That's why when we take n term Tn, then A into R, we take R n minus 1, not Rn. We subtract 1 because we start from only a single A, and then we take AR, then AR square. One number beside we start for R. Hence we get the formula for finding n term in GP, that is term n is equal to AR n minus 1. Now we are going to find the sum of n terms in GP, that is if we are given number of terms, n terms in GP. Here also you seen that n term, so n term is AR n minus 1. So if we have to find sum of these all terms, then Sn will be, that is sum of n terms will be A plus AR square plus AR cube, go on till AR n minus 1. This is the formula for sum of n terms. Now we simplify it. We take a common A from these terms a. Here I put a, then the remaining term will be here. If I withdraw a from this, then here is 1, then here is r. If I put a behind that, if I put a behind that, it is r square. A, it is r cube. Similarly up to n minus 1, then it will be rn minus 1. So we can write whole this term as the form this, and this is derived in upper classes, so we are not going to derive this form of this. I have simplified this to understand you better. So summation of n is equal to a bracket whole bracket rn minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where Sn is equal to sum of n terms of GP. That's if we want to find 3 terms, then Sn is equal to when we going to find sum of 3 terms, then we are going to find a plus ar square. It is starting to that third term. A is equal to first term of GP, as I shown, first term of GP. If we take this, then a is equal to 5. Similarly r is equal to common ratio, we have studied before, and n is equal to number of terms. That is, if we want 3 terms, sum of 3 terms, first 3 terms, sum of first 5 terms. Similarly, if r is equal to 1 in this formula, if r is equal to 1, then denominator becomes 1 minus 1 0, and we can't able to find summation by this formula. So how can we find the summation of this formula when r is equal to 1? So first we have to understand what happens when r is equal to 1. When r is equal to 1, all series becomes with the same number, because if we take first number r, first number a as 4, then 4 into 1 4, second number is also 4. When 4 into 1 common ratio taken also 4, then 4 into 1 is 4. So similarly we can continue with 4 4 4, just because r is equal to 1. That is, common ratio is 1 and same number repeats itself. Then how can we find summation of this term? It is very easy, because if we have to find the summation of 3 terms, then we can just multiply 3 into initial number a, that is a into n. N is what? The summation of numbers which we have to find. If you want 2 terms, then a into 2. Here if you want 3 summation of 3 terms, then 4 into 3, that is 12. It is 4 plus 4 plus 4. If we have to find summation of 2 terms, then a into 2, 4 plus 4 8, or 4 to the 8. Hence general formula for summation of n terms when r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1, that is this type of series. Here any number, here it can be any number, that is 5 5 5 6 6 6 10 10 10 10 10. Then we have we can find this summation of n terms by n into a. N is a multiplication factor, and a is a first term, so 4 into multiplication factor. And here I take an example where summation of n term, and I take summation of 3 terms. So summation of 3 terms, 4 into 3 12. Now we are going to understand summation of this term, summation of n terms using this formula where r is not equal to 1. Okay, this is main basic general formula. Let's take a previous example, 5 15 45 135. If we want to find the sum of 4 terms in given GP, let's take it as infinite, it continues GP. Then we want to find summation of first 4 terms. Then n is equal to 4, because we take summation of first 4 terms. Then a is equal to 5 first term, and r is equal to 15 by 5, that is 3 common ratio. And our formula for summation of n terms is rn minus 1 r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. when putting these numbers in this formula, summation of 4 S4 is equal to A5, R is 3, common ratio, raised to 4, N minus 1, this. Then 3 raised to 4 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 minus 1 divided by ratio is 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 81 minus 180 divided by 2 into 5. So 2 into 40 is equal to 80. Find 240, 200. So summation of 4 terms, first 4 terms is equal to 200. That is, summation of these first 4 terms is equal to 200. Let's verify this. Summation of first 4 terms, what will be 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus 1.